I'm taking apart a Goodman um, inducer model. I pull the screws off. You put this is like from the AutoZone. Put grease on it. So I had to put it back. Make sure that little washer won't disappear. That helps the balance. Like that. Hopefully this will work. I took it off and I cleaned the inside. So let's see if it'll work. Mine will be easy if they put this in the attic. They put it under the house. I don't know why. Gotta keep cold air out. Now I'm just putting the parts back together. Yeah. Alright. These screws just go back. You just put it back how you take it out. So, using a drill with these faster. There you go.